Maragoba engiana indo mwanchu Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba chinga kine ariganire kuruga igase studio egerengo manyia senchira yobwenge na ralia yagendrete gokoreka aseriro balito lya gusi na isiko ya gusi nyora litkulia rero murai bwenso moske Uhuru Kenyatta onyare kobaka gutarire county ya Kisii asanyara kobaga kumirana amona bantu kurwasegesa kukyo mugusi na bali bonsi bamenyeta se county ya Kisii okwanera igoro ya mangana siasa abwasararekanire kumosiro muraibe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga nabo igonigo aganirie bana siasa kubiko murembe chinga kibono bochole bonene bogucha gokoreka litkulia Jumanne ewiki gocha chitariki kianda Mwanchu muligereria bali mogendete gutubwate wetera senchira yemitandao Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube nabo igo Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook gosoto mekangererikia wetera se namba yesimi eyuere ase TV ya unkwirana ndasege kekerebosyo egeranko manye asenchira yobwenge nararia yara se chinse chiga Nchini gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nule toko bwatera na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta abonchereria korwa se chiro ya Marigiti aigase county ya Kisii nigo banyorire omoeso magega yobwaga chibwe chire yokoera korwa sobokonyi bwekyombe kia Micro Enterprise Support Program Trust bakubatrana ne kyombe kia European Union bunenchire mayogo konya bonchorere bechinyeni abwasibo igobaye gwa maigerio amo nobosemia igoro yoboni bwabo ase engake igabagendrete no bonchorere bwabo
wanga mutanya gongo korase county ya Kisii ase department ya agriculture yaro nigo tubwata ritkori nene ryo mogoko ikiagera ichiro ya Kisii wet market aiga Marigiti ko igorwere shirika ya MEST Micro Enterprise Support Program Trust wetera se moroberio agriculture finance initiative agriculture agrify ya twaga jere chire irinda abantu bayito banyar konyora asara agiye bakona ibintu byabo abantu bakobera agaiga baorokererigwe nana nkibagwana tokorinda usalama ya chakula na kiubye korusiwa ngakyo chenu bokoruga iga na aende nonye nkoru mugondo abare mimbararo shirikereria asomirie unana kyo korende ndagera ngakyo ko ye transport ngakyo ko ebeka serori gose pikipiki irinde anyara goikira abateja babari kuchikonia
na sana lengo letu kuu lilikuwa kujenga soko ambayo itatimiza food safety ama usalama na usafi wa chakula.
Abagusi nigo baboliwe kwenekia omorembe no botwereru chinga kiechiga chia siasa anene mono abagusi kurwasa abamenyi osikurwase ward yake engosabo kwa bero mwanchu muligereria niga abantu bonsi baboliwe kwenekia omorembe no botwereru kurwase ward yerigoma ayo niga kwanwa no yokoligia ekeroge kyobo MCA kurwase nsemeyo omoske Vincent Mayeka kurwase kyama gya Jubilee oyoba igonyareko bagakobaga kubolia bagusi bonsi na bakenya kwenekia omorembe no botwereru elyo gutanga chiburaburu ne chisegi chibaise kwenekiwa asobochole bonene bumwaka oyo nigamentere goteba buna abakenya mbaganetie kero monto chinga kyobocholi bwanyareko bokoera
nkosabanga kitarikiana kitaraika amatukatigarita yane gosa 5 abantu baminto bali tokoriki chikura na bali tokoriki abandi chikura tokora omorembe amatukonsi so that miyake amatuka yagoika etokinga bugimambo gandrata buya botabwate matatizo botabwate bwoba tokore gasi yoka yokonya abantu baito eganga yane yokonya abantu baminto ntebe getangani ninganjete sana amangana youth empowerment ekero nabo mwalimu nata no mwalimu nakabeire indanjete gosira banafunzi tinjira chionsi asenkonyara na ende na aliko ganinga bana ko bagasome sukuru batambe kombua tarike mobere lakini batambe kombua batambe kombua ase birengerio asogokora na ko batebinga kuna bwatiro yomo oina bwatoko boko abwata abande erentu asitusuke motwe amang'ana abang'ina nimaete ekenyoro kerigo manke bwata abang'ina abange bari basiri nabagaka mbara batagwatia abang'ina bakurunga widows and widowers nintema okora egasi nabwo kobakonya
aba obisa korwase kiombe no kiobochori ne chimbebe IEBC nigo bakorerwa amasababe neritukuria rero asensema ya Bomas of Kenya imemo chio Nairobi abo asaba bwatani korwase chikanisa au banyarko bagwikirana boigo nabang'ina gusebyombe byabang'ina korwa chinsemo au moyega bono oikeranwa amono mo Archbishop korwase kanisa ya Anglican Jackson Ole Sabit abo asenkwane nene yaba bakenya bonsi kwenekia omorembe amone kiombe kyo kia IEBC goikeranyo bochori bobwate oboene amono bwasioku
of each individual human person to the rights and duties of everyone and to the truth that human rights belong to every person. We thank you, Lord, for those who have been set apart and called to preside over this noble exercise, the IEBC. We acknowledge and recognize that their role is crucial yet delicate. We present the entire IEBC before you, Lord. They are about to embark on their duty to oversee the general election process.
Mother in this country will send a tear because there was elections on 9th. We come with a voice of reason to say that safety and security for women will be safeguarded, and especially those women with disabilities who don't see, who don't hear, who don't.
Chingaki chibono umunyakirgo bw'ekyombekyo Wafula Chebukati amono mo CEO bw'ekyombekyo Majan Hussein Majan nigo baenekire buna nigo bale tayari bune kyombe gucyo gwekeranyo bochori butabwati buraburu chinde chonsi asomwakoyo asibo igo baenekia buna ebinto biri byuko bigocha gukora obochori gose election materials byanyare ko babigo chaka koenanwa gocha chinsemo au aiga Kenya unenchereye moyo kweyaregania gochia asobochori obonene.
There are those out there who think that there is not going to be no peaceful election. Pray for them to see that the IEBC has done what it ought to do.
Voters has been pinned or is being pinned at prominent locations in all the polling stations, and this follows the closure of schools from today. This therefore means eligible voters are encouraged to check and ascertain their details in preparation for voting on August 9th.
Ekiombe gia Kenya Human Rights Commission nigo kiabwatukire oroboti bene igoro y'omubaro bw'abantu banyariko bagusiria obugima kubwatekana n'umurobelyo ogendrete bono igabwichi campaign aiga sense ya Kenya korengana n'ekiombe ekyo nigo kiabulira banasiasa amona ba Kenya bonsi koba maiso unamamincha yo kwana chinkwana chigosegeta okoboro kwa morembe abwasabange banyako bagutigirwa chinguma chintindi amana abande gusiria obugima.
The Commission has since February 2022 documented 5 cases of election-related deaths. 2 of these were as a result of road accidents involving vehicles associated with aspirants, while 3 others died from injuries allegedly inflicted by opposing political factions. This is indeed regrettable, since every life matters. And this is a pointer for a deliberate action by law enforcement officers and security agencies to be more alert and ensure the right to life is protected. The Commission also wishes to remind the organizers of political rallies and campaigns of their responsibility to carry out their activities in a conducive environment that ensures the safety of its supporters and members of the public.
Obomo bwazimio la umoja One Kenya Alliance nigobole asegetie kenene gya Bukungu Stadium ime ya Kakamega kurende abweli tangani nigo mokonyo ye Odinga omusubati Martha Karua anyarako baga kumbirana na basubati korwa sensemo ya Bungoma abwasa kwana na barabona gweyakira ekoko asate babuna serikali yobomo bwazimio la umoja onyagiye gochako iroborai niche kwene kiabuna ya kodre amangana yobokurumi asense ya Kenya.
Saja nikawa deputy wake na running mate wake ni Raila Amolo Odinga ndiye ametupatia heshima kwa kama akina mama. Safari hii with this nomination na vile Mungu ametupanulia milango, vile wananchi wameamuka, inaonekana inaendelea kuwa sure bet. Kwa hivyo kama wamama tutaonja hiyo ofisi Mungu akiwa mbele. Hakuna kitu haiwezi fanyikia Bungoma pesa ya umma ikitumika vizuri. Tunasema yote inawezekana. Lazima tupambane na ufisadi. Ufisadi ndio inazuia. Hata hapa Bungoma mshanunua wheelbarrow for 100,000. Na naona kama mlipendezwa na hiyo. Na mlipendezwa, naona kama iko kura inaenda upande huo nyinyi. Nyinyi mlipendezwa.
Chingaki chionere omokonyi bomorai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigare ase county ya Kirinyaga asebono agendete guyakira ekoko no morobelio bottom up economic approach model abwasa tebiria ba Kenya abuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza onye baguchakoba ababui nigo barachi guikirania magendera mange na monchorilio asense ya Kenya.
Already we have 5 million young people out of school and out of college, and their challenge is that they have no jobs and they have no opportunities. We are saying as Kenya Kwanza, for the first time, we are going to have a Marshall Plan around employment, and we are going to deploy every year 200 billion shillings so that we can build our textile, our leather, our wood industry, agro-processing, value addition, manufacturing, and housing, so that the young people of Kenya can have opportunities. They can work and work for themselves and their families, and they can contribute to growing the economy of our country and growing our country as Kenya.
Aba bwata nibe kiama gia Jubilee amona waipa korwase county ya Mombasa nigo bachiramo na goteba nigo bagucha kumusira oyo koligie kirugo kyobo governor county yo gwetera sekiama kia ODM Abdul Swamad Nasir ase batebirabuna ere noyomo ase obomo bwazimio la umoja One Kenya Alliance ekerenga gyo kumusira nelinga ebyame ebyo bibere mbibwati murwanerelyo ndebwensi okoligie kirugo kyobo governor ase county ya Mombasa.
Tulikuwa hatuna governor na tukangojea mwelekeo ambao ulikuwa utaletwa na makao makuu ama chama chetu cha Jubilee. Of course ikawa communicated kwa vile tuko chini ya azimio, governor ambao tutakuwa tuwasimama naye atakuwa Bwana Abdul Swamad Sharif.
2 days only. Mtu amekuja na matatizo, you will have to serve them. So hata hao wenye kututusi wote hao, they have their businesses here, wako na familia zao hapa. We will serve them. I will serve you as your diligent governor of Mombasa.
Tuna mkataba ndani ya azimio. Tukiwa mkataba ndani ya azimio, hatuwezi kukeuka ule mkataba ambao kwamba party leader wetu Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka aliandikishiana na Raila Amolo Odinga.
No botukibwa bwango iga korwase kiombe kia Ipsos simense ya Kenya nigo bokoro kiabuna omoraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nigatanga ina sekerengo kemerongo enena isano na ibere igoro yemia chinga kia kubati wana Ruto asekerengo kemerongo enene yemo igoro yemia Nonye nabo bocholi bwale gokorwa bono iga goika bwale koirorerwa asentunde ya kabere asengenjo buna bonsi mbaigetie kerengo kerigetekeire kemerongo 5 igoro yemia kolengana no moteneneri bwe kyombekyo Samuel Mutoka otebire kero monto na bwate getango asensemo yae.
Odinga stands out as the candidate who brings the legacy. He stands for better governance. However, he is perceived to be advanced in age, and that is his main shortcoming. On the other hand, Dr. William Ruto as a main asset in that he presents hope for future. However, his main shortcoming is his perception of stained integrity, and that will be a major head.
Na rayo asabano mwanchu muligereria kulenda mange ngugocherare chikoraga ensemo ya bono botuko asenchera yobo ikirano asengencha baliki baito nigo bali chinsemo ao koyasangereria agoikira senchera yobo toere ruge koraga ensa eyemo ya bono botuko kolende mbiya monasi bali mwabwatirie Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ekero nako yareteire asenchera yobo mbiya mono Petronila Mokeira oyone kya chibicha na maliogi agoikeire asenchera yobo toere runa Joshua Auta oyoto bwatera nakomo asensemo yibimanyererio twara oboligereria borobija ime Ndizi TV obwanzu bomogusi nche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi on Twitter.